Pressure-compensating drip irrigation pipe production line. Designed for uniform irrigation under variable pressure, ensuring consistent water output in every emitter. Pressure-compensating drippers ensure uniform flow from start to end. High-precision extrusion and dripper insertion. Stable operation for long-term production. Automated control system. Reduced labor, higher efficiency. Ideal for agriculture with uneven terrain. Greenhouses, orchards, and long-distance irrigation. Engineered for reliability. Built for professional irrigation solutions. Contact us for technical details. Subscribe for more production line videos.